Hey you guys, it's your girl Beauty with Mika. This is a very impromptu video. I just got home and I got my first Boxycharm Luxe box. Now Boxycharm is starting to do the Luxe box where instead of $20 a month on the Boxycharm regular size where you get 5 or 6 full-size products, now you'll be getting, I believe, I'm not even sure how many you'll be getting in this Luxe box, but you'll pay, instead of $19, you'll pay almost $39 to $50, and you'll get these every quarter. So they had really a long waiting list for this Boxycharm box. You must be a current Boxycharm subscriber in order to get the Luxe box. So I decided to go ahead and subscribe and got it. And this box is huge. Like, this is half the size of my regular Boxycharm box. So I wanted to do an impromptu video. I just got home. Excuse me, your girl's been running errands all day. I got my scissors and I was like, you know what? Let me turn on this camera and get it going, because why not? So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this because I am actually covering my information, because this sticker is heavy too. I was like, I was kind of shocked by this box, and this is the first time that they're doing it. So with that, you definitely, if you can, get your hands on it. Get your hands on the Boxycharm box. Now I'm not gonna lie, Boxycharm is hit and miss, but I've been loving the boxes lately. Whoa. So this is what the box looks like. Oh my God. Okay, so you get double the size of the Luxe, and it pretty much, this tells you everything that you're getting inside the box, and you're getting a ton of stuff in here. It says it's the season Boxycharm Luxe. So hello charmer, hashtags Luxe season. Yes. Okay you guys, so you do get this big old thing and hashtags Boxy Luxe sun for a chance to be featured, and you get a couple of coupons back here for some products that of course are featured in their box. And it literally gives you a detailed and along with pricing. So I'm just going to pull out different things and then tell you guys what the pricing is on them. So this one, I'm trying to look. This is the straightener that I got. It's a Pi Mini hair straightener. This retails for a regular $75. I do remember they do like a special chance where it's like you can reveal, you can actually pick one item that you want in your box, and I wanted to put this in my box because I was like, this is so cute for travel. And they had like 5 different colors for this thing, so I did pick this little travel flat iron, which I think would be so cute. I'm not sure what's the wattage on here, but I was like, oh my God, this is so cute. So this is $75 just for this mini straightener, and I do like that it has the little case on here. Already this straightener alone just basically covered the price of the box, and you get the little travel thing. So I thought that was really cute. For $75, this is not bad at all. So that's really cute. They package this thing up so well. See how good they package it up? So I'm just gonna continue to pull. You do get this Glam AF, and it just looks like it's a wristlet actually. Let's open it and see. Yeah, it's a wristlet plus a portable charger, and this one is $22. Portable charger in here. See, this is why, oh shoot, yeah, you get like a power pack, a power bank in here from Crimes of Beauty. This is super cool, like super cool. Crimes of Beauty. And you get the portable chargers. I have a IMOVIE charger that I currently use, and I apologize because I'm actually dumping this trash out, but I have a IMOVIE charger, and these are really good. Like, these fit in your purse, and they're Android and iPhone capabilities. So this is really cool. And this is actually, it has a 1000 kilowatts, so that's really cool. I do like that. And you also get the wristlet inside, which is perfect. So you get the wristlet that has like a little pocket, and that's really good. Like, Boxycharm be doing them. They be doing it. So this is from Wonder Beauty. This is their Wondrous Dusk to Dawn, and this is their Wondrous Dusk to Dawn blush and highlight palette. This retails for $26. yeah, this is why I won't cancel my Boxycharm palette, my Boxycharm box. And that's what that looks like. That is really, really pretty too. Ooh. Hey, I see you. I see you. Now, something else is their Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle day cream from LMS. And this retails for $89. And this is proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. And you want to apply this after using toner before your moisturizer. So, and this is from LMS. I've heard some people talk about this brand. I'm not sure who I've heard talk about this brand, but that's what it looks like. And how many ounces is this? You get 1 fluid ounce for $89. Wow. Anti-wrinkle day cream. Okay. Very interesting. Very, 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 very interesting. Very. And this is an impromptu video, so excuse how the background, everything looks. I did not turn on any lights or anything. I was like, let me just get this video out to you guys because I know you guys probably wanted to see it. Now, shut the front door. Okay, I've already kind of taken a sneak peek. This is the Spongeless Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is a body wash infused buffer from Spongeless. This is retails $20. I've seen these at freaking Ulta. Yes, Ulta. So this is really cool too. I'm actually gonna put this in my tub. Really, 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 really good. Let me see. Oh my god, Luxe. Luxe does a whole thing with Boxycharm. This is the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Set for $65. So you get the whole entire brush set. Oh my god. Talk about a gift to somebody. I actually, you know what, you guys, because I have so many brushes, I'm actually going to hold this because you get a whole entire brush set. You get a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, a pro precision, a tapered blending, an eye shading, a flat definer, a brush and sponge spoolie, and a lip brush set. And you get this entire set for $65. That is really, really cool. This I'm actually going to gift to somebody because I love the Luxe brush sets, and I feel like I've literally gained so many of these over time. Now, this is what it is. The Mega. The Violet Voss Pro HG for $45. Shut up. This is... I think this is the one I was looking at too. And this one retails for $45. $45. I didn't got double or triple the amount of what I paid for the box already. If I can just open this. The Eyeshadow Palette. Yeah, this is the one I was looking at. See? OM to the G. Whoa. I'm gonna be using you. Yep, I'm gonna be using you. Dang. $45. $45 retail. So the last two things in here is the Lorac. Lorac is trying to come back, you guys. This is their Pro Treatment Mascara. This retails for $25. It looks like you get, and I'm trying to open it. So you get a blue in here, a royal base blue, and you get a black in here. So that's really cool. Now something else is, last but not least, is, let's see, what is it? The Tarte Glitter Lip Paint. This retails for $20. I got the shade Flaming Hot. That's really pretty. Flaming Hot. That's really pretty. This looks like a dupe, I think, of one of these Rihanna sets. I think so. I don't want to swatch it because I may also give this one away too, but this is really cute too. Oh, and got, okay. That is it, you guys. That is it for this Boxycharm haul. If you guys want to see me do a monthly one, go ahead and leave a comment down below because I get this subscription every month. I keep saying I'm gonna cancel. I never do, but I continue to like it. This was hella good. This was like, for even $50, I pretty much got over $200 worth of products, and that was really, really good. The box always comes so neatly packaged and everything, and this is like double the size. So shout out to Boxycharm. This video is not sponsored. I do have a referral link down below that once you sign up, you guys can always, you know, get points and stuff like that when you sign up. But this is not a sponsored video. I pay for my Boxycharm box every month. Other than that, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Sorry for this impromptu. I know you guys love to see these random videos. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.